name is Mark Lack, and I have a high AQ.
I'm Bill Dibble.
David Mold.
Tracy Johnson.
I'm Justin Croft, and I have a high AQ.
Companies have a lot of information, including hospitals, but it's a lot of raw data. They need the data transformed using analytics into graphs, charts, ratios to help them better understand where they're going, what their trend is.
Analytics that we've developed are helping us make better capital decisions about where do we invest in the network, where do we add capacity, and also what new products or new plans do we think would be well received by the customer base.
We're always trying to deliver better and more information. It's a continual process. What's in there? What's in our system? What information do we have? How can we really use that information to see what's going on?
These are the same users that just a few years ago were just reading a piece of paper. Now they're doing analysis. Now they're doing forecasting. They're doing trends. They're using the data to make the organization much smarter.
We immediately recouped, within 3 months, approximately 403% of our return on the investment. That was amazing, in my opinion. I did not expect those type of results.
So we've seen a transformation from, gosh, it'd be nice if we had this information, to, hey, I need this information, and within 30 seconds you've got it.
Those companies that have a high AQ are definitely going to be ahead of companies who are not paying attention to analytics as they go forward in tomorrow's world.
Analytics quotient.
What's your AQ?
What's your AQ?
What's your AQ?
Smarter business analytics
For a smarter planet.
Let's build a smarter planet.